Hey there everyone! Today I'm thrilled to share a fantastic cleaning tool with you, the handheld pressurized steam cleaner. I've added the link in the description box if you want to get it. I'll guide you through how to use it effectively, so let's get started. First, make sure your steam cleaner is plugged in and properly heated up. This usually takes just a few minutes, so you won't have to wait long. Next, fill the water tank with distilled water. Using distilled water is essential to prevent mineral buildup and keep your steam cleaner running smoothly. Now let's talk about versatility. This steam cleaner comes with various attachments to tackle different cleaning tasks, from grime on grouts to shower glass windows. To use it, simply attach the appropriate accessory and aim the nozzle at the area you want to clean. Press the trigger to release a powerful burst of hot steam. As you move the steam cleaner over the surface, the heat and pressure work together to break down and lift away dirt and grime. It's incredibly effective, especially on tough to clean areas. The safety cap will not come off until all the water is gone. Be careful and don't put it near your eyes because it does get hot. Once you're done, wipe the cleaned surface with a cloth to remove any loosened dirt and enjoy the satisfying results. Plus, the steam's heat sanitizes as it cleans, making your home a safer place. There you have it, folks, a quick guide on how to use a handheld pressurized steam cleaner. It's a versatile, eco-friendly, and powerful cleaning tool that's sure to make your life easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. And again, the link for you to get it is in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.